Alright, so here is a quick video. So if you are a person who uses Emacs and essentially Magit, which is a Git interface inside Emacs, so most of the uh, operation in Magit inside Emacs uh, happen behind the scene and provide you the result until unless you take some explicit action to see what is going on behind the scene, right? So in this video I'll show you how you could see whatever the operation you do in Magit inside Emacs, so it could be showing you promptly or asynchronously. Okay, there is a built-in method, nothing inventory. Okay, so you just have to tap it to show you what I just have said to you. Let me go to my Emacs client and go to any of the repositories. I'm arbitrarily choosing a repository here. So this is a Vim repository. Okay, so I just randomly choose one of my grid repo in a machine, right? So here, so if you go to the transient window, if you choose any of them, the most of the action happened behind the scene, and you will be presented with the result or effect on it, right? That is the good part of not knowing what is going on behind the scene, because it might overwhelm you to know that, but sometimes you might be curious to know what is actually going on. If you come from a CLI background, like operating Git from the CLI, you'll be much familiar to see the stuff on stdout, what it is spitting out, right? Here is not the case. To give you some sort of sense like that operating on the CLI, to show you the stuff what is going on. Okay, so let me dismiss this transient window. There is a method in Magit. You have to press the $sign. It open up a buffer. Okay, you see on the right hand side there is a buffer. Open up, and you move to this repo on the return. Now, for instance, if you want to say pull, if I press capital F and press U to get the stuff from the remote master, you see on the bottom of the screen, it is on the right hand side, it will show you it is pulling from the remote repo, right? See, you see what is going on? Extremely useful, right? So if you haven't opened the right hand side buffer by pressing $sign, you won't see this information. Okay, so if I go back here, you see it show you the stuff like what you saw. If you run git from the CLI, it will be enlisted on the terminal, right? If you do not open this buffer by pressing $ while inside Magit, so you won't be able, because this all will be done behind the scene, and the left hand side repository will get updated and show you the result, not the stuff what you are seeing on the right hand side buffer. The whole purpose of this video is to show that you could see what is going on while you perform some operation, okay, on Git in Magit inside Emacs. Okay, so I'm trying to figure it out that now, say for instance, if I'm giving a second instance how this could happen. Okay, so if I'm thinking what I should show you. If I show you some sort of reference, um, or if I show you the branch, no, okay. So I think the purpose of this video I have already mentioned, so there is no point elaborating. It's the basic theme is again that you have to press $sign to get the right hand side buffer open where your git command, whatever you choose to run on Magit interface, will get enlisted like a terminal. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people who are curious enough and not yet discovered this stuff. Thanks for watching.